Hey guys, in today's video I'll be sharing swatches of the Essence Out of Space Stories nail polish collection found at Ulta, and I will get right into the swatches. So here is the first polish called We Will Spock You, and it is a silver linear holographic. So here's a look at the first coat. This one is definitely sheer on the first coat. I think this would be a great holographic topper since it is not super opaque. And this one also had a really nice formula. And here is one coat. And here's the second coat. This one doesn't cover completely in two coats, which is why I think that it would be good for a topper. But if you did a third, you would get more coverage. I left it at 2 though because I didn't really think it would cover completely in 3. But yeah, this one is super holographic in the sun and I really enjoyed it. Here's the final look of We Will Spock You at 2 coats. The next polish is called Intergalactic Adventure, and this is a blue-based polish with some multi-chrome pigment in it, shifting from purple to gold to blue. So here's the first coat. This one covered really nicely in one coat. I think once this polish gets a little bit thicker, you could definitely get this opaque in one coat. This one I think is my favorite out of the collection because I don't have anything like it, and it does have such an amazing formula. Here is one coat, and here's the second coat. This one definitely covers completely in 2 coats, and I would for sure recommend this polish, and I think it would look really awesome in some space nails. Here is 2 coats of Intergalactic Adventure. The next polish is called Space Glam, and it is a mauve purple base with some gold shimmery flecks in it that also have kind of a green shift. So here's the first coat. This one was a tiny bit sheer on the first coat, but that is due to all the shimmer and pigment added in it. And I think this one is really unique. I don't have anything like it, and I think it looks really nice in the sun. So there's one coat. And here's the second coat. This one covers completely in 2 coats and adds some depth to all of the shimmer. I also would recommend this one if you're going to pick any of these up because it is so sparkly and pretty. And here's 2 coats of Space Glam. The next polish is called Out of Space is the Place, and it is a super light pink base with some green shimmer. Here's the first coat. This one covered really nicely on the first coat considering it is a light pink. Usually they are a lot more sheer than this, but I will do a second coat just to get complete coverage. This one had a really good formula, and the shimmer does stand out on the nail as much as it does in the bottle. There is one coat, and here's the second coat. This one does cover completely in 2 coats. I did do a bit of a thicker second coat to get it completely opaque, so depending on your application, you might need 3, but I was good in 2, and I think this is a really unique color. Here is Outer Space is the Place at 2 coats. And the last polish is called Across the Universe, and this is a purple base with some multichrome pigment in it. Here's the first coat, and this one does cover pretty good on the first coat, but it's still sheer enough that I did do a second coat. And this one you can see the brush strokes in. I'm pretty sure that's because of the type of pigment. Anyway, this one's really unique and I didn't have anything like it in my collection and I would recommend it. So there's one coat. Here's the second coat. Like I said before, it builds up nicely in 2 coats and I think this is a really nice polish. Here is Across the Universe at 2 coats. And that concludes this swatch and review video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one.